Okay, new plan. Fix my mistake. Sing more. Per Spellman, han hadde ei eneste ku. Per Spellman, han hadde ei eneste ku. Han bytte bort kua, fikk fela igjen. Han bytte bort kua, fikk fela igjen. Du gamle gode fiolin, du fela mi. All right. I need something to take the edge off.
The edge of things?
Edge of things, kanskje det?
I need to take the edge of things.
Tell us in the comment section what is the right thing to say. My English is not improving. Is it take the edge of things, or hva var det jeg sa? Hva var det jeg sa for noe?
Take the edge off.
Take the edge of? Or is it take the edge of things? Edge of things. Gauge. Yeah, whatever.
Briljant her.
I think this one. Okay, let's play Screamer 2. Going to play in high resolution with 256 colors. It's not smooth, but it is playable. And that's how we make that turn, Phil's Computer Lab. But I'm tired this morning. Jesus Christ, I'm so bad. Keep to the left, and then to the right. I usually win this race. I don't know why it's so difficult now. Oh crap. Ah. So this is Screamer 1 from 1995. High detail. It's not smooth, but it's playable when you have this camera. But it's better with this. It's a big difference. Oh shit. No!
Oh man, you blew it! You lost the lead! Hey, great lap!
Okay, I suck at this game. Now I had an IBM Aptiva with 166 MHz. I tried to play Quake 2 and it wouldn't work at all. I got like 1 frames every other second or something like that. So it was totally unplayable. So let's see if Quake 2 works now with this machine. Let's try. Don't think OpenGL works, I know. So I need to use this mode here. And it's not smooth, but it's absolutely playable. Let's try this one. Ah, that's better. But yeah, it works. Let's play Balls of Steel.
We're going in. Time to shoot. Shooting range.
So there you go. The reason I wanted to have a 166 MHz Pentium is because back in the day on the system requirements on different games, it would say 166 MHz, and I didn't have that. I had the IBM Aptiva 100 MHz. So I have nostalgia for that number, 166 MHz. So I was wondering if I should put my Voodoo 1 and Gravis Ultrasound Max in this machine, because that is in another 200 MHz machine, the fastest 1996 had to offer. But the case is doesn't look good enough. I mean, this is a test project, you could say, and it didn't turn out good enough for me to want to do that. It's not bad, but both my brother and I have learned a lot. We made some mistakes, like there's a extra screw hole here where I actually couldn't put any screws, and there's some imperfections where I made a mistake, and the welding here didn't become perfect, and yeah. So it's not bad, it looks okay, but I don't want to put my Voodoo 1 and Gravis Ultrasound Max in here. But that's it, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.